All right, 11 and 12. These are exponentials. You can either tell that by the shape of them, or you can tell that by the x and the exponent. But remember, exponentials have vertical asymptotes. They do not have vertical asymptotes, so none. Stop it. I'll just go N-O-N-E. Your horizontal asymptote is right there at -2. So y equals -2. I can probably do number 12 real quick too. Your domain and range, okay, your domain is always going to be all real numbers. So -infinity to +infinity. Set builder, x is the set of all real numbers. Your horizontal asymptote, your range, okay, in this case, everything is from -2 up, but it does not include the -2, so it's simply greater than -2, or from -2 to +infinity, depending on what type you want. So for interval, it's going to go from -2. Remember, we don't include it because the asymptote is there. That's your interval notation. On your set builder, again, y is greater than -2. All right. X-intercept and y-intercept. Well, your x-intercept you can just straight see. That's at 2, 0. Your y-intercept you can't really see. I think it's like -1.5 or something like that. But we'll just stick it in a calculator and check it out real quick. So that's at, and you can type it in just like you see it. 4 parentheses 2 close parentheses to the power of x, x plus 3. Graph. This is supposed to say x minus 3. Right there. I'm pretty sure. Yep, it is. So there you go. The first typo of the page. There's probably going to be more. So here we go. We're going to go second calculate. We want the y-intercept, so we're going to calculate a value. We want to know when x is 0, what is y? Y is 0.5, like I thought. So here we go. Y is 0, 0.5, or 1/2, however you want to think of that. And there you go. Let's see. I think the next one should be right. Let me make sure that it's in there right. So -2 parentheses 1/2 to the power of x plus 3 again. Yeah, x plus 3 close parentheses minus 2. Graph. Let's see if that comes out right. Yep, that comes out right. Good. So this equation does match this graph on number 2. So your vertical asymptote, again, you have none. Your horizontal asymptote is right there at -2 again. There you go. So y equals -2. So your domain and range are the same. Your domain is all real numbers, so -infinity to +infinity, or x bar x subset all real numbers. It's everything. Your range is everything below the -2. It's from -2 down. Alright, so we're either going from -infinity up to the -2, or we're going to say y is less than -2. Okay, so it's not quite identical. Alright, this one does not have an x-intercept, because if it's everything below -2, it can never be up here. So there is no x-intercept for this one. Your y-intercept, again, stick in your calculator, and go second calculate value of 0, and I get a y-intercept of x is 0, y is -2.25. Done.